All right, Option Story. This is Noel. Just wanted to give you a quick day trade outcomes. Did a couple trades this morning and was able to profit $133 in about 45 minutes. So I wanted to run through those trades and how they got set up and kind of when I entered and exited. So I'll start with win. This is a trade where kind of was looking at the volume bars here. The initial volume bar on the 5-minute time frame is what we look at, and this initial one, huge push down to the downside. So it was kind of just tracking this to see, okay, are we going to have a runner to the downside? And we certainly did. I mean, it just continued to flush all the way down here to the pivot. So let me zoom back out here. So yeah, we definitely saw a huge push to the downside, and was able to, so in some ways I was thinking about getting short right here, but I held off and I waited and I kind of let the thing run back up to this area, and I was looking at this consolidation zone. This was where I was going to get short, and in fact put my trade on right here, and it did what it was supposed to. It flushed to the downside and got out at the VWAP, and profited a nice chunk of change right here. And then I was out. So my trading style, what I've learned with the day trading, I know that some, they'll get in and then at this point they'll do, 50% exit and then they'll wait to see if it flushes. This was a perfect case in the sense that if I had held on to a couple more contracts, then this thing just skyrocketed. I mean, it went back up to the, not to the lows of the day, but we're back to where we started, and would have lost everything that I gained right here, getting pushed back up here to the upside. So this was a profitable trade. Got out real quick. Stayed small. I should stay small in all my trades this morning, just because of the fact that the market has it's been a tough market to trade in. So the other one that I was trading in, oops, let me see here, was in Roku. Okay, so here we go. Let me click off of here. So Roku. So kind of the pattern of this was we had two green bars, and when this presents itself, I have found that price action on this is awesome in terms of kind of looking for it to go short after you've had two kind of volume bars that are green. So in fact, I got in right about here again, or actually, no, that's not true. Let me look at my trade here. Roku, no, actually, so this one pushed high, and then it did and then it pushed back down. And I was looking at getting long again right here as it touched this the VWAP of the day. And so right here, that's where I actually ended up getting long, and it did exactly what it's supposed to, pushed higher. At this point, I had literally exited about right here all of my position because I just was not confident that this thing's going to continue to run to the upside, which in fact it didn't. We saw a lot of consolidation throughout the day, and I was able to get out. And so, so I got out here, all of my contracts, then pushed back down. And about right here, I decided, you know what, I'm going to get back in one more time and allowed it to run to the upside and profited again on this trade, and I was out completely. So, just again, really learning day trading and realizing a couple different significant things. One, staying small has been super important, and then also exiting my positions, not leaving on extra contracts to kind of see if it's going to run to the upside or run to the downside. I've just learned that through some trial and error that when I do that, I generally just get killed in the market because the market has just been super unstable all over the place. So staying small and then allowing to get that exit really has proven to be valuable. Hope you guys enjoyed this. For most mornings, I'm day trading, and I'm going to begin to set up a way to go live on this so you can kind of see what trades I'm doing and how I'm going about executing them. So stay tuned.